Now, next to cleaning the lights, and while I'm already up on a chair on the ladder and I'm up on a step ladder, I want to get the top of the refrigerator and still using the Swiffer duster. What you cannot see in this image, because it would be easy to assume that nobody can see on top of the fridge. You do not know how tall the people are. If they're 6'5", they're going to be able to look right on top of your fridge with their own bare eyes. But coming down the stairs, there's a stairway right coming down, looking right on the top of this refrigerator. So you don't want somebody coming down the stairs going, this is such a beautiful house. Oh, but they've neglected the top of their fridge, right? So while you're on that step ladder, get everything within sight. You want to get the recessed lighting. You want to get the tops of the cupboards. You want to get the top of the refrigerator. Make sure that that's nice and clean. It doesn't cost you anything to do that. But I have Aaron here telling me he's going to try to raise the price if I'm the seller and he's working for the buyer. He's going to try to get more money out of me by saying, oh, you need a whole service to come in. Surely that's going to cost a lot of money. Let's deduct that from the price of the house. Okay, we don't want that. We love Aaron, but we don't love his antics if we're selling the house and he's the buyer.
Also, your high C personalities will usually walk along, touch the tops of door frames, the tops of cabinets, and the top of the fridge. If they can pick up dust, they're grossed out, they want to leave. I know that's only one personality type, but we get it a lot.